Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on the audience and the single thing you want them to do. This guides every choice. Start now. Write a tight 15-30-second script with an attention-grabbing opening, a clear benefit, and one call to action. Once done, translate lines into a shot list, 5 to 8 shots, 16 to 9 framing, and note props and transitions. Make sure to choose one quiet location and assemble basic gear: smartphone, lavalier mic, and a simple light. This gets you filming ready fast. You now move into execution. Frame using the rule of thirds and switch between close, medium, and wide shots to keep energy up. While shooting, prioritize audio, place a lavalier 1-2 feet from the speaker and watch levels. Poor audio kills engagement even if visuals are great. Once done with primary footage, capture B-roll, hands, screens, classroom context. Make multiple takes and shoot 10 to 20% more footage than you think you need. This gives room to craft rhythm in editing. You complete the ad by editing down to the most persuasive 15-30 seconds. Cut to the strongest beats, insert captions for silent autoplay, and place a clear on-screen CTA near the end. Once satisfied, export as H. 264 MP4 at 1080p and 812 Mbps, then design a bold thumbnail and write a concise caption with one link. Make sure to schedule posts for peak student activity and monitor CTR.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.